How to check parts and service history on iPhone. Start on the home screen, locate the Settings app, and tap on Settings. In Settings, scroll if needed and tap on General. On the General page, tap on About to open device information. On the About screen, scroll down to find Parts and Service History. If no Parts and Service History section appears on this page, there is no recorded service for supported components. When the section appears, review the components listed under it. Tap on Battery to open its service information. View the status shown for the battery, including whether it is a genuine part and any service notes. Tap on Back to return to Parts and Service History. Tap on Display to open its details page. Check the display status information presented on the screen. Tap on Back to return to the list again. If Camera is listed, tap on Camera to see its service details. Read the information shown for the camera part and its service status. Use the Back button to return to the About screen when done reviewing. Following these steps, you can easily check parts and service history on iPhone.